does have the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system, foldable mirrors, memory seats, the upgraded leather ventilated seats. The Limited comes with the piping, the fancy stitching, and the carbon fiber look there on the dash. Now this particular truck has the adaptive cruise control, twist knob automatic transmission, 12-inch screen. It's got the trailer steering, trailer brakes, and then the air ride is right here. So if you want to lift the truck up, you can select what height you want it at. So it's going to lift all the way to there. You can also decrease the height. This slides, cup holders, wireless charging for your cell phone, all your parking sensors, parallel parker, lane keep. You have the digital rear view, the panoramic sun, speakers in the back there, power rear slider. This thing is loaded with way too many things to go over. 3,500 miles. You also have the bird's eye view. Show you how close you're getting, parking sensors to go off when you're getting close. And then, now a special feature this truck does have is the tailgate. Obviously, it'll open like a normal tailgate. But if you put your hand down, then you can open it as kind of a barn door. And you have the other one here, so you can get right in all the way to the back.